Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Grab a hold of that vine, swing right on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. I see a box. What could be in the box? Let's do an unboxing and find out. So be sure to grab hold of that vine and swing right on to my kitchen for the unboxing. Okay, I gotta show you what wonderful sons I do have. My dishwasher went out during the quarantine. Bad time for a dishwasher to go out, especially for a canner. And I'm gonna do an unboxing with my sons here, and I'm not going to show their faces because I know they prefer not to be shown, so I'm going to respect them. But let's do an unboxing of my brand new kitchen toy.
Unboxer!
Oh, I gotta come around this way. And look at that pretty little thing. Ooh, stainless steel inside. It sanitizes Mama's canning jars, and they knew that was a definite must on it. And I must say, they picked out a very good one. Mama like, and Mama appreciate, and Mama loves her babies.
Get a close-up of all these.
I gotta put a dishwasher on.
And I think we might be doing an install video. But here's some of the buttons.
Also, the 10-year warranty.
Yeah, I was surprised to see that. A 10-year warranty on a dishwasher. Wow. Mama really happy. Thank you, boys. I love ya. Well, good looking. We reached the end of today's little video. And if you liked what you saw here, please give me a big old thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, tap that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatins'. Y'all come back now. You hear?